Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely